Hi guys, today I'll show you 2 easy ways to censor faces in Davinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss valuable and quick tutorials like this one. Inside of the Fusion page, search for Gaussian blur and add the node. Now, add an ellipse and size it according to the subject's face. An important step is to add soft edges. This will keep the edges clean. Next, let's add a mosaic blur. Copy the same ellipse node to apply the identical mask. Adjust these 2 settings to your liking. Now we have a good-looking finished result. For videos, watch my tutorial on tracking to understand how to track the blur. This second method is even easier. Add a background node in the foreground. Add a rectangle mask and size it to cover the eyes of the subject. And there you have it, 2 ways to censor a face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on helpful tutorials in the future.